Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the door seal on this Candy Tumble dryer. If your door seal is split and no longer creating a tight seal with the door, it will allow air to escape through the door and it will need to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information off the rating plate here. Then go to the eSpares website to order the right part for your model. With the door open, here we can see the door seal. Simply pull it away and out of the gap. And then we can grab our new seal. And starting at the bottom, simply put the groove into the gap and work it round. Once you're happy that the door seal is nice and firmly in position, just close, then open the door a few times just to make sure the door closes correctly. And there we have it, one new door seal fitted to this Candy Tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.